Guys, literally, this could be the best possible message that you can get after delivering a video to your client. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys the complete process from getting the raw footages to creating the final results. So you guys can see the behind the scenes of how the video was made and what the overall process looks like. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, before starting the video, we need to gather all the assets that are needed to edit the video. So we got the script, which you guys can see on the screen. We have also got the brand assets, which will be needed during the editing of the video, as well as we have got the raw footage that is needed to be edited. Next, we just need to start working on the video, and we'll be editing the video on Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. So yes, let's get started with the first animation now. Okay guys, so now this will be the first scene which we'll be editing. So I'll be showing you guys from scratch how I'll be creating this edit. And right now, once the edit will be all completed, once the scene will be all ready, what I'll be doing is actually just describe you later on where I got the inspiration for the ideas of the animation and what will be my creative process behind the animation. So yeah, let's get start on the edit first. At the very start, we'll be cutting up the raw footage and removing the extra breathing spaces from the video. Even though the video was a short 1-minute video, but there was still some cutting up needed to be done. Okay, so for the first frame, I get a lot of my inspiration from Twitter as well as YouTube. So for the first scene overall, I got a lot of inspiration for the Apple UI movements from Zakaria. Shout out to him. And overall on Twitter and X, you can get a lot of inspiration. There are a lot of great editors who are posting content regularly. So especially for inspiration, I definitely recommend Twitter if you are looking for ideas for your animations. And as well as for the cube animation, this was something which I previously as well created. And you can also check out my own page. Here you can see the cube animation which I have created before as well, and this was something which I have already made, and I added these little reviews text boxes where the company was mentioning that they wanted to showcase some of the testimonials which they got. And as well as for this part, I got the inspiration from their website itself. Their website had some testimonials of their clients, so I decided to just showcase them as they were describing about working with 7,000 plus top brands. So that is where I got the inspiration for that idea. And for the folder animation, I got this inspiration from this video exactly, Storm's Projects video where 10 editors are battling for $500 in insane editing challenge. So these type of videos can be great for your inspiration as they contain really good edits on their videos, and also you will get to see multiple versions of the same video, so that can help you in getting more ideas as well. And now we'll be moving on to the next scene, and yeah, let's get started on it now. Now for this scene, I got inspiration from After Magics on Instagram. So I got really amazing idea inspirations from him, and you guys can check out yourself as well if you want some inspiration for your own animation ideas. And overall, just describe about the points which the speaker was mentioning. And yeah, just described about the points which the speaker was talking about in the video. And yes, that was the idea for this animation. Okay, so for this animation, I actually got a screenshot from the client itself, where my focus was to just describe about what their software is actually doing. And yeah, I added some text boxes and added some visuals to make the overall scene look engaging. Like, did not get any specific areas from where I got this animation from, just was focusing on just making the viewer understand what the speaker was just trying to say. And that was my goal and idea behind this animation. For this scene, I got the inspiration mainly from their website itself, which you guys can see from here. And I just used an iPhone 3D model and along with the pictures from the website itself and used it to create this scene. And yeah, that was like the idea behind it. So for this scene, I actually forgot to create a time lapse, but I'll be still doing a breakdown of the animation. So this animation was actually previously made by me for another project. So what I did here was just reuse the same animation for this project as well. And also with one screenshot which I got from the client himself, I used it, and overall this is how the scene was actually created. And now it's time to show you guys the complete final result which was made.
You've known us as the go-to post-purchase survey tool trusted by over 6,500 Shopify brands. For years, we've mastered turning customer data into actionable insights you can act on immediately. But in 2026, we're going bigger. We're adding a new pillar to the customer insight stack, no Net Promoter Score or NPS. This expands No from a single survey type to a full customer feedback suite. Post-purchase surveys, email surveys, and now NPS. All in one place, all connected to your store data. An NPS score alone is just a number, but NPS combined with your post-purchase survey and order data, that's a single source of truth about your customers to inform your entire sales funnel. Send NPS at the right time, fully customize it, and push detractors straight into Gorgias, Slack, or any help desk you use, so you can actually solve issues before they become problems. And that's just the start. We're building towards a future where you collect more feedback on more surfaces tied to your store data with insights you can analyze like never before. Welcome to the next era of customer understanding. Let's get to work.
So there you have it, guys. The video is all completed. Hopefully you found the video valuable. And yeah, I have recently created a deep tutorial of how you can create this animation, which you guys can see on the screen right now. Hopefully you found the video overall valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so I can create more videos like these. Hopefully talk to you guys soon.